Happy birthday, Thomas! Peep, peep! Here comes Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas and his friends work hard every day. Thomas does not want to work today. It is his birthday. He wants a party with presents, balloons and silly hats. But the Fat Controller says, Henry is busy, Gordon is busy, James is busy. You must work today, Thomas. So off Thomas goes to his branch line, back and forth, back and forth. He carries people. He carries animals. He carries wood. He carries grain. Thomas sees his friends near the engine shed. No one says happy birthday. No one says a word about presents, balloons, or silly hats. At the end of the day, Thomas heads home. Those engines did not look so busy to me. Oh no! A cow is in the way. Move, says Thomas. Moo, says the cow. No, 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 says Thomas. Not moo, move. At last, the cow moves. Thomas is late. Thomas is tired. Some birthday. The Fat Controller opens the doors to the dark shed. Thomas chugs inside. Lights come on. Surprise, says all Thomas's friends. We were busy, says Henry. We were busy making a party for you, says James. It is a wonderful party. There are presents, balloons, and silly hats to wear. Happy birthday, Thomas!